So the research that we are conducting in my lab, it's in relation to the control of a very important agricultural pest, which are plant parasitic nematodes. Plant parasitic nematodes cost billions of dollars to the industry because of losses in crop production. So the whole idea of our research is focusing on nematodes that are beneficial to agriculture. What Ayako is doing here is doing some bioassays, again, to test the activity of these secondary metabolites. And so what we do is use well-played assays where we put an inoculum of plant parasitic nematode, the root knot nematode. We put infective juveniles, which is the stage that actually lives in the soil and is the one that is going to infect the roots of the plants. So when Ayako is setting up this experiment, is the exposure of an inoculum of 100 nematodes towards the different compounds. We assess the activity over different time points, and then we evaluate if the activity is nematostatic or nematicidal. So we think that we are on the right path towards furthering the research on this topic and potentially going into the next step. We're looking for partnerships with industry so we can move to the next step, which would be applications in greenhouse and the field.